Now, if you're getting such a message, earnings at risk, you need to fix some Ads.txt file issue to avoid severe impact on your revenue. Let me show you how you can do it. As you can see, this situation greatly impacts my revenue and therefore I need to go ahead and fix it. To do it, it is quite simple. Just head over to any browser and then just type in Ads.txt manager. And you'll get to this website and click on it to create an Ad.txt account. Now, when you talk of Ad.txt, this is a file that is created and shared with ad partners to show that you comply, and also you can reach a wide range of advertisers who require websites that comply with Ads.txt. Now, from here, you will need to create an account. If you don't have one, you can just start by tapping on start now, and then go ahead and enter your domain details, your name, email, and a password that you have to confirm, and then you'll create your account. Once you are done, now you'll be able to log in, and once you are logged in, you'll be taken to this interface. So once you are logged here, you are supposed to create your Ad.txt. If you click here, you'll be able to see your Ad.txt file. So this will give you that file that you for your Ad.txt. And if you go ahead and click here, you will be able to see all the authorized sellers that you added on your account. Now, these are the ones that you have authorized to manage your Ad.txt file for you. So you can see mine. We have a list of quite a number of them here. I have like Ezoic, I have Google Ads, I have AdSense, and also I have this double ads exchange. Now here, if you have your site, because while setting up, you'll have to set your site. You'll add your site. You'll be able to see your site here. Here you'll be able to see your integration status, and this will also show you the display status, and this is where you get started. So let me just go and done. Now, to create your Ad.txt file, you can just go ahead and click on get started here, and then next. And you'll have to go all through these steps where you'll have to authorize, import, and also redirect, and finally validate. So for my case, I already have an Ad.txt file, and I only need to go ahead and pick it. Now, to fix this problem of your earnings are at risk, there are two ways you can achieve this. First, you can either go ahead and view or take your Ad.txt file, which is this, and add it to your website. You'll have to edit the code or go to the header section. You can add it to the header section or body section of your website. Alternatively, instead of, if you don't want to interfere with the codes, you can add your Ad.txt file in form of an ID. You can use your ID. So if I go back here, you can see I have my account ID here, and this is what I'm going to use. Now go to your website and then go under plugins and add plugins, and then look for a plugin called Ads.txt manager, and you can see it is here, and here is the plugin. So I'll just go ahead and install it, then activate the plugin. Now once it is activated, just go to settings. All you need to do is to add your Ad.txt ID number, and as you can see, I have just added mine here. And then I'll go ahead and save changes. Now refresh your AdSense account, and that problem should be fixed. So that's how you solve Ad.txt issue on your AdSense account. If you have any other question, let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.